Aku por waklat ke Belanda te. Ia berok sangut yara eksenduk cengka. Tang bopet mentah pada Friday. Kam no ke ceng cencar am. Tip syuk kan long kam no lah dah. Yap sama no mana ni.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Hatu pindon am katong manlong kita kinong shed hagi hotel ane ki restaurant ki bapau. Hamokam hilapan pun orlong ki katong kacong pi. Ke emission kelap play bani ai ki course ki bapel kadon ke degree course ke diploma baga advanced diploma course.
Ka Presiden jong ke Indian Olympic Association ka PT Usha ka balawan yu kejat Shandong ba Shillong ha ka laipho terek u jemang arjar panrio kala Rung ha Ïing sa jong u sketri ka Meghalaya Golf Promoter Society u Gaurav Bajaj. Ya ka PT Usha la senran lang du Presiden ka Meghalaya Golf Promoter Society uba Daniel Surong Jarwa uba deiru udkhot jong ka Governing Council ka Indian Golf Union bala lam khmat du Presiden u Hari Shetty ringkat ka jiedon lang Vice President ka Society uba Michael Heck u Working President ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association uba John F. Kharshieng bat kiwei. Ka Meghalaya Golf Promoter Society kadai ka kanhun bala register hapo ka Meghalaya Society Registration Act bat ka bala penyesoru bat ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride